So the former general manager of the Sports Development Foundation has been trying to make the age-old case that Jamaica's Reggae Girlz are not getting the same amount of publicity as the Reggae Boyz, and that the Reggae Girlz have been much more consistent with back-to-back World Cup qualification, including getting to the second round of the World Cup. And yet, even the games for the girls are less accessible. And overall, the Reggae Girlz are just not getting the same treatment as the Reggae Boyz. Now, first of all, girls are girls and boys are boys. Girls are not equal to boys. So girls football cannot be equal to boys football. The fact of the matter is that the history, the tradition, the appeal, the popularity, all translated into the difference in marketability and earning power between men's football and women's football is there for all to see. So there is no way women's football can be treated as equal to men's football, because it is not. It's not.